Hey gamers, looking for the ultimate gaming experience? Look no further than our top 5 pick. This is an entry-level gaming desktop with AMD Ryzen 5 2600 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 500GB SSD storage. It's a great choice for gamers who are just starting out and don't want to spend a lot of money. This gaming desktop has Intel Core i7-9700K processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and 1TB SSD storage. It also has liquid cooling, which keeps the PC running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. This is a mid-range gaming desktop with Intel Core i7-9700K processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage. It's a great value for gamers who want a powerful machine without breaking the bank. This gaming PC has Intel Core i9-9900K processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card, 32GB DDR4 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage. It also has customizable RGB lighting, making it a great choice for gamers who want a powerful and stylish PC. This is a high-end gaming desktop with Intel Core i9-9900K processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card, 64GB DDR4 RAM, and 1TB SSD storage. It's perfect for gamers who want the best of the best.